Episode 2, the new engine arrives on sodor. One day, Gordon was puffing on his line, and he went across the old rickety bridge. He came down his hill, past the waterfall, and he came to the station. And he came to the docks, and Cranky said, "Did you know that a new engine is arriving on Sodor today?" And then Gordon said, "No, I did not know that. I'll go tell people at Tithma Sheds." "I'll Cranky," said Gordon. And then Gordon off to Tithma Sheds. And he told Henry that there was a new engine arriving. "I didn't know that," said Henry. Then he told Spencer. "Spencer, did you know that a new engine is arriving on Sodor today?" "No, I didn't," said Spencer. And then he told Toby and Thomas. "Toby and Thomas, did you know that a new engine is arriving today?" "No, we didn't," said Toby and Thomas. And then everybody coupled up to Gordon. And set off for the docks. Then he went past the waterfall into the docks. Lots of people were there, and then the new engine was almost there. And then Cranky lowered her onto the track. Lowered her tender. And then Gordon coupled up to the new engine. Her name was Emily. And then Thomas coupled up. And Henry coupled up. And Toby coupled up. And told her, "This is Tithma Sheds."
We are going.
The end.